Hey everybody, today is April 7th, 2021. Today we're looking at a do now of, based on the word concern. When I was very young, I was only concerned with blank. Okay, when I was very young, I was only concerned with blank. I want you to think about that for a minute. I'm just writing it down so that I can get it into Canvas. Okay. All right, so go ahead and do that. That will be in your Canvas assignment. Okay, the other day on Monday, obviously yesterday we didn't have any video or book work. Okay, so but Monday I had you guys type up your character analysis based on the work that you did in the book, with a thesis, with a topic sentence and some details, more topic sentences, more details, and then a conclusion. Okay, so today we're going to talk about transition words and phrases. Okay, so these transition words and phrases, they help the writer organize details in a text. By using transition words, the writer can present details in a logical way. That helps readers understand and remember them. Okay, so first off, I want to talk about the word transition. What is a transition? Right? So a transition is any time you change from one thing to the next. So for example, when we go from first hour to second hour, that's a transition. There's a transition that takes place. Okay, when you go from your beginning paragraph to your second paragraph, there should be a transition. Okay, in basketball, we talk about transition defense and transition offense. Transition defense is after we've either scored or missed a basket and we're getting back on defense. Transition offense is when we get a stop and we're pushing the ball the other way. That's transition offense. Okay. All right. So a transition is any time that you are making a change. So in writing, making a change is based on going from paragraph 1 to paragraph 2 or whatever. Okay. All right. So we've got two transition words right here. Additionally, or to begin with. What would be the best one right there? Okay, this is the very beginning. To begin with, in the biography of the story, writer Shirley Jackson describes how some readers reacted to the lottery. Okay, then you need to choose initially or in conclusion. The magazine did not tell readers that the story was fiction. As a result, many thought it was nonfiction. They wrote to Jackson to find out more about the strange ritual it described. Jackson continues or begins by providing excerpts from some letters sent by the readers. She also, or finally, includes the state in which each letter writer lived to show that people all around the country misunderstood her story. Jackson concludes or continues by noting that if this was a valid cross-section of the reading public, she would give up writing as her chosen profession. Okay, all right, so you guys need to go through and circle which ones you believe are the proper transition word. Okay, all right, now as we move over here, subject-verb agreement. Subjects and verbs must agree in number so readers can understand who or what the subject is and what the subject is doing. Remember, a subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that a sentence is about. A subject can be singular, only one, or plural, more than one. A verb tells what the subject does or is. The verb must be the same number as the subject. Okay, so for example, Tessie Hutchinson run to the square. She are late for the lottery. Okay, all right, so we need to decide if the subject is plural, singular. We need to make those subject and verbs agree with each other. Okay, all right, so the above sentence is confusing because the subject, Tessie Hutchinson, is one person, and the verbs run and are plural. The verbs should be in singular form. Tessie Hutchinson runs to the square. She is late for the lottery. Likewise, when the subject of a sentence is plural, the verb must also be plural. Okay, so the men help Mr. Summers. Okay, if it were the man would be helps or helped Mr. Summers, right? The men prepare the box for the lottery. Okay, so right here, down here, what you guys need to do, while waiting for the lottery to begin, the blank makes small talk and tell jokes. While waiting for the lottery to begin, the blank makes small talk and tell jokes. Okay? All right, so which of these would be the proper subject? Blank calls for the lottery to begin, and the blank grows quiet and attentive. Okay? And the blank, okay, grows quiet and attentive. Okay, I want you guys to go ahead and do this, okay, and get that turned in. Today, at the conclusion of this, I told you guys I want to take the reading assessment, so I'll have the score, each of your scores to hand to you, so that you can see what you need to beat. Hey, take as much time as you need. Take the whole day if you need it. Take the whole day today and tomorrow if you need it. I just want to see that you guys have made some progress. Okay, so be very careful as you take the test. Do it the right way. See if we can get some good progress on your reading growth. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Have a great day.